Plus, I added a turbo to a 3VZ. Once the engine decision was already made, it was time to address the car's appearance. The MR2 already had an iconic styling, but I wanted to amplify that in this Toyota. This isn't just about the aesthetics, but this was more about making the car stand out while improving its performance and potential.
I don't even know what else to say.
There was something therapeutic about this process, tearing into this MR2, breaking it down and building it back better. I just loved every portion of that. But it also was a reminder that nothing worth having comes easy. And I think I lived that through this car. At this point, every piece had to fit perfectly, which meant there was hours and hours of testings, fittings, trimmings, and refining this whole project. It was not only a matter of slapping on panels and just crafting something, it was a matter of patience and precision to me. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are definitely moments where I was questioning my own sanity. Widebody installs are no joke, they're not for the faint-hearted. But seeing the car take shape was well worth it, especially starting to venture into the different things that I wanted to do for this build.